Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to be showing you how to get started with using Mailchimp. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video to the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. And the first thing we want to do is to go and open up the official Mailchimp website. So what we're going to do is go to mailchimp.com right here if you're not already. After opening it up, you are going to go and be greeted by this homepage right here. This is the homepage from where we can get started. Here the first thing we need to do is to log in. So if you do not already have a Mailchimp account, what you can do is go and sign up for one by clicking the sign up button. The sign up button is going to take you to the next page where you can continue with providing your info regarding your business and so on, choosing what kind of plan you want to use. And once you're done, so you can create your account, you can log in. So after logging in, you are going to be greeted by the homepage of Mailchimp that looks like this, from where we can get started with accessing everything we need regarding our accounts. It's going to look like that, and now you can get started with managing everything you need from that mid section right there. And this is how you can get started. You have an article right here that is very easy to use. The Mailchimp.com official website gives you an article on getting started with Mailchimp, what things you need to know, the task roadmap, how to set up your account, and so on. Everything you need from step one once you have created your account to get your Mailchimp run and going. And basically that's how easy you can do it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. So you guys, thanks for watching, take care, and bye.